How to change your card on Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can change your card on Roblox, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to change your card on Roblox, it's actually very simple to do so. Just go to roblox.com and make sure that you're signed into your account. Once you're signed into your account, click the gear icon from the top right hand side and then just navigate to settings. Once you navigate to settings, you'll see this type of interface where on the left hand side just look for the option known as billing, as you can find here, and then select the billing option. Then on the right hand side you'll be able to see all of the payment methods you've added. So if you want to change your card, you can choose to add a new card, and once you add a new credit or debit card over here, make sure to hit the save option from the bottom. After you set this as a default one, you can remove your old payment method, and just like that you will be able to basically change or edit your card details. This way you'll be able to change your card on Roblox. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.